learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。哇，这一个月啊，我们都好漂亮，对不对？
全部大家都懂讲。
That's right. This whole month we're teaching you how to say so pretty. 懂讲 Okay, that means very beautiful.How about you see someone wearing some new clothes? 今天打扮啊，穿着比较漂亮，一定会说哇，你好漂亮啊！
人家会问你说是不是昨天买的嘞？
之类的哈。Okay, you bought some new clothes and people are praising you. 你穿新衣服啊？
做新衫呵。
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 做新衫呵。Okay, that means you are wearing new clothes. 新衫就是新的衣服，对不对？新衫。Okay, that is new clothes.Of course, yeah, I just bought it yesterday. 对啊，昨天才买的。
嘿啊，
嘿啊，
丑本日，
丑本日，
刚买的。
哦，刚买的，就是丑本日一定是昨天的意思。哦，丑本日 that means yesterday. I just bought it.
刚买的，
刚买的，
才买的啦，
才买的，
很新呢。
对，没错。那这个买跟卖啊，中文里面有时候也会搞混啊。那客语里面会不会也这样子啊？对不对？
买的海陆腔叫做卖感。
你看我就说吧，一个买，一个卖，不一样的腔调，但是都是在讲 buy。
对。
Yeah, it's a different dialect for buying. One actually sounds like selling, and the other one is like buying in Chinese, but it all means the same thing.
所以呢，四线是买，海陆卖。
哇，海陆跟四线要来买卖很复杂了哈，我也搞不懂你是要买还是要卖啊？好啦，最后当然要恭维对方，就是好漂亮啊，对不对 ？So 好漂亮
懂讲呢，
懂讲呢。Okay, let's review some of these phrases， 因为这真的常常会遇到人家穿新衣服或打扮漂亮一点，一定要恭维一下啦，对不对？就像 Alice 穿什么都很漂亮的。
谢谢暗自 say。
管你是新衣服旧衣服，我觉得都很漂亮。
人美啊！
好了，我们拉太远了，我们还是回来蕊一下好不好
？OK，
穿新衣服怎么说呢？
做新衫。
做新衫，做 is to wear， 新衫 is new clothes， all right？ 那昨天买的，对不对？昨天。
丑本日，
丑本日，那才买的怎么说？
刚买的，
刚买的 that is yesterday, just bought it. And of course, it's all about the phrase, you are so beautiful. 好漂亮啊！
懂讲呢，
懂讲呢。And that does it for today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什么台港？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.